Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Today, we're talking about one of the most legendary midsize trucks on the market, the Toyota Tacoma. Known for its durability, reliability, and off-road prowess, the Tacoma has built a reputation over the years as a go-anywhere, do-anything kind of truck. The Tacoma was first introduced in 1995, and ever since, it's been a favorite for truck lovers, outdoor enthusiasts, and those who need a tough, mid-size pickup that can take a beating and keep on going. The current Tacoma sports a bold and rugged design. With its aggressive front grille, muscular wheel arches, and high ground clearance, this truck looks ready to tackle any trail or city street. Under the hood, you've got two engine options: a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder or a more powerful 3.5-liter V6. If you plan on hitting the trails or towing a decent load, you'll definitely want to go for that V6. Tacoma's off-road trims, like the TRD Off-Road and TRD Pro, come equipped with features like multi-terrain select, crawl control, and locking rear differentials, making it one of the most capable trucks in its class. Inside, the Tacoma is built for function and comfort. The cabin features durable materials, a user-friendly infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and available upgrades like a premium JBL audio system. Pricing for the 2025 Toyota Tacoma starts around $30,000 and can climb past $50,000 for a fully loaded TRD Pro model. Is it worth it? Well, if you're looking for a reliable, adventure-ready truck that holds its value better than almost anything else on the road, the Tacoma is hard to beat. Whether you're tackling tough trails or just cruising through the city, the Toyota Tacoma continues to be a top contender in the midsize truck market. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the Toyota Tacoma? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive content. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.